The Microsoft 365 version offers so many functionalities and features which are not available in Excel, Word, PowerPoint 2019 or older versions. In case you do not have the subscription for Microsoft 365 and would like to use it for free, then there is a simple solution available. You can use the online version of Office. It contains most of the functionality and is absolutely free to use. Let's take a look on how to get started. The first step is to create a free Outlook account if you don't have one already. I will include the link for this website in the description for your convenience. Once you go to the link, all you need to do is create a free account. You can do that by clicking on this button, Create Free Account. If you already have an email ID that ends with outlook.com or hotmail.com, then you can skip this step. You can straight away use that email ID in the next step. Once your email ID is ready, you need to go to office.com. I'll include this link in the description too. Click on the sign in link here and log in using the credentials of the email that you would have created in the first step. And that's it. You will have all these apps that are available to you free of cost. You can use whichever app you want. However, remember these are only free when you access them online. You won't be able to download these onto your laptop or desktop to use them. In case you want to download them, then you will need to subscribe to a plan of your choice. But if you want to use them online, you can start here. In case you want to create a new Excel workbook, you can click here. And now you can use all the amazing Microsoft 365 features that are available. And once you're done, you can either save your file on cloud or even download it to your system. So that's it. As you can see, it is pretty simple to access the online version. Hope this was useful. Thank you for watching.